Now that the air is clean, we are all wearing face masks. The weather's been good for the last couple of days. Sunny but pleasant. And it looks like the sky got itself a paint job. Everything else and family in general are fine. We had no idea what to do with all this time together. But we are getting better at it. We are getting there. We need to remind each other daily to take it one day at a time, that we are in this together. I still do not have a routine. I need one. I need to get disciplined, to get more work done. I need to get back on the tracks. Yes, I need to start running. It's long due. It doesn't yet feel lonely. Maybe it's just me. But I miss the highlands. Can't wait to get back up there. I'm done with Trapped on Netflix. Season 2 is amazing. I'm yet to start Money Heist. Probably today. Everything will get better. Except for our Prime Minister's rationale. It dumbs me every time. Help whoever you can. Stay home. Try to leave the house as little as possible. I've got nothing more. So I think that's it for now. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe, dear all.